This is the audience for my second speech. Well, when I was 18 years old, I got a tattoo. It's on my back, which kind of gave me the idea to do this topic. It is about acupuncture. And acupuncture is a traditional Chinese medicine that uses needles placed on acupuncture points on the skin to influence a physiological change in the body. There's many different things that go along with it. I'll be talking about a few of them today. I got my research from history textbooks, websites, and medical associations. The main points I'm going to be going over is explaining acupuncture, what it is, how it's performed, and how it works. Acupuncture is when they insert needles, very fine needles, all over the body surface in order to influence the physiological function of the body. It's, like I said, it's traditional Chinese medicine that's used for Chinese medicine. That's over 5,000 years old. Acupuncture depends on qi. I'm going to write this up here because it is a Chinese word. It's said qi, but it's spelled qi. And it consists of all the essential life activities, which include spiritual, emotional, mental, and psychological aspects. Qi refers to the channel of energy force that runs through the human body. A lot of the Chinese scientists say that a person's health depends on the flow of qi in the body. And they also state that illness occurs when the qi is unbalanced. Qi runs along meridians. There's 14 main meridians and 12 organ meridians. Meridians are basically lines in the body that they place the needles on in order to get the satisfaction of the physiological function. How acupuncture is performed. Needles are inserted into the acupuncture points, which would be along the meridians. These meridians are just under the surface of the skin, so the needles aren't going deep into the skin, it's just on the surface. Acupuncturists use 9 needles, but only 6 are commonly used. They vary in length, width, shape, and they treat and position on the body depending on the illness can be treated. Even though acupuncture is an old medicine in the Chinese world, it does follow modern medical laws that are practiced in the United States. You have to clean the needles every time you use them. Old needles have to be disposed of properly in biohazard containers. Any person wishing to practice acupuncture has to have a license to practice. It's not just something that everybody can go out and do. The needles are inserted 15 to 90 degrees relative to the skin surface, depending on the amount of sensation desired by the patient. Some patients want to achieve the sensation not to be confused with or compared to pain. They say that the majority of the time it's more pleasurable than it is painful. American scientists haven't really proved how acupuncture really works. But if you ask any Chinese scientists, they'll say it definitely works. However, there are several theories that go along with why patients feel relief after receiving acupuncture treatments. There's the augmentation of immunity theory, which is acupuncture raises levels of triglycerides, specific hormones, white blood cell counts, gamma globulins, and overall antibody levels. There's the endorphin theory, which acupuncture stimulates secretions of endorphins. This is why doctors often recommend exercise to feel better. Exercise also releases endorphins. There's the circulatory theory. Acupuncture constricts or dilates blood vessels. This theory has been somewhat proven in several case studies in response to acupuncture to the body. Acupuncture is also used to treat illnesses, backaches, muscle aches, headaches, arthritic conditions, allergic reactions, and addictions. So if anybody's sick or has any back pains, I would say go get some acupuncture. That's it. Here's the audience again.